good, putos? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we got some side skirts, some Type R side skirts for the FD2 Civic. We also got some new center caps for the wheels, so today is a day that the wheels will go from ashy to classy, and the whole side profile of my car will go from ashy to classy. And I also picked up some molding for I'll probably make that in a separate video because I could probably make like hella views off of it. Like, this is a hack to save you 300 iron or something. I don't know, we'll see what we get into today. I'm just trying to taste the bag you in. Whoa, I just thought of something. Check me out, son. Check me out, son.
Well, look what we have here. Look what the cat's drugged in.
Did I just say drugged in? My bad. Grew up in a low-income household, so drugs run up and out of that mug. What? Handle with care. Well, they failed that shot. Of that last clip or previous clips was trash. It's because my mic wasn't fully in, but here we have my Type R style, you know, my whole car is a style, side skirts from Basin R. Bro, if you're buying replica lips, splitters, whatever the case may be, Basin R has the best fitment of replica. Fitment is chef's kiss, bro. Ratatouille kiss. Fuck it. As I suspected, fitment is actually on point. All I have to do is jack up one side of the car, but I'm actually gonna put them on the quick jacks, take off all 4 wheels, mount it up right, and actually I'm gonna raise the car up anyway. So I'm gonna do all that probably tomorrow. By the time you watch the video, I've already done it, obviously, but today is Thursday. I'm actually gonna go take out the car to Randy's house, the Integra. So he actually hasn't yet to drive the Integra. So we're gonna go over there, film a video, get his reaction, and now the video will be uploaded today as a Thursday, and this video will probably be up Friday. Yeah, this video will be up Friday. So we're trying to do like a daily upload type thing, tight beat. But yeah, that's what's going on. Got the new side skirts in. We're gonna get them. We're gonna slide them Johns on you in. Let's get to it. Oops, totally forgot to show you guys the center caps. My bad. I just made an Instagram reel, which you probably just seen before this clip, but if you didn't, check it out.
It's time to go from ashy to classy.
And check out the new center caps on the wheels. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. I reached out to them in Japan. I was like, look, bruh. It's your man Zosh. I need some center caps for the whip. I need these big special, you feel me? They're like, Zosh, bro, you know we with you, so I'm gonna send you some shit. I'm like, alright, bro, I'm gonna with you. And that what happened. One day when that actually happens, I'm gonna tell the president of Raised Wheels that I'm a fuck with. skirts is on, but they got to come right back off anyway, because I'm not ready to 3M take them on and do all that. I gotta clean underneath. I gotta clean this first, then 3M, well, get this painted, clean, then put them on, and then the car would be good. But at least we got them. Literally hours later, and the car is nowhere near how I want it. So the front end of this is perfect. Like, I want a little bit of space. I like this right here. This is perfect, so I don't have to mess with my bumpers. Everything is good. Copaesthetics a little high, but that's how I want it. The rear is still, however, dumped, so I have to raise up the rear right now. Again, I've been doing this for hours now. This side is dumped too, so the rear just all have to come back up, and then the front, you got to come back up. But this is easy. The front of 8th gen suspension is so easy. 8th gen RSX, all that stuff is so easy. The rear is stupid because they got to remove the wheel, which you got to still do the front, but you got to remove the wheel, take out the 14mm bolt, drop everything, stand on it, remove the collars. It's a lot in order. It's so stupid removing, well, height adjustment of the car. But side skirts are on. I just wanted to make sure I can show you guys that I have the side skirts on the whip. I mean, you can't even tell. It just looks like you don't even see no body lines. You see that gap? Ooh, look at that gap. Ooh, look at that gap, dog. That gap is crazy. But yeah, I gotta now put it back in the garage and adjust everything. One day. I'm waiting on my valve cover to come back from D&H, and I can slap the valve cover on. So days have passed since the last I guess update I talked about on the CIVIC. I finally got the suspension all dialed in the way I want it. Took some time, but got the front where I was. I haven't drove it out yet, but the front's gonna sit down a little bit, but the back is exactly how I wanted it. This is perfect for me. Perfect. It might settle down a little bit, but all in all, it's perfect. Now I'm gonna drive it out, put the Integra back in, and then we're golden. All right, so this is exactly how I want it. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this is exactly how I want the fitment of the Civic to be. A little higher, so if I hit a bump or anything like that, I don't know, I just feel like this is, it's not as low as the Integra, but it's more functional this way. I just gotta need a splitter and stuff like that, but this is much better. Much better. Solid. And that is wraps for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just went live on Instagram, gave away stuff to winners of the alpha injection / Zosh FD2 giveaway. Bro, it's crazy to me that people are so goddamn lazy to comment. Just leave a comment and you can get something for free. Literally, people wonder why they can't get far in life. Oh, I'm not this and that. Oh, everything, my life sucks. Nothing ever goes my way. Cause you're goddamn lazy. Stop being so damn lazy and be consistent and put effort in what you want to do. Shit. But for all the people that did enter, I'm glad that, you know, you took a chance on something, and then we're going to try to do more giveaways in the future. I'm finna give away my girl, so if y'all looking for that, holla at ya, boy.
You ain't never going to give me up.
Hell no, you cooking clean? Life is lit.
I don't just cook and clean, I do more than that.
What you do, babe?
A lot of things. I support you mentally and emotionally.
I can't sell her.
But I can sell you.
Yeah, I ain't worth a damn. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I am just that. New merch is on the way from Zosh FD2. So if you want to see me succeed in life in the aspect of where I can buy cars and cool shit like that, pick up some merch. It's cool. You know what I mean? You ain't got to. You ain't obligated. But if you want to, you can. And I'll love you more than I love anyone else in my entire life. I promise you on that. You know what I mean? My girl don't mean nothing compared to y'all. I love y'all. And thank y'all for watching. I am out. Peace.
What?
Huh?